huge number of benefits and the differences and changes I found after I removed the cable connection. It's been almost 1 month. It has made all the difference in the life of P. So the moment she wakes up, the only thing she wants to do was watch TV. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Ikigai by Swati. ये वीडियो लास्ट वीडियो का कंटिन्यूएशन. इन द लास्ट वीडियो आई शॉट द डे इन द लाइफ ऑफ पी की ज़िंदगी का एक दिन. सो आई वांटेड टू शो व्हाट हर डे लुक्स लाइक, बट दिस रूटीन हैज़ हैपन ओनली आफ्टर आई रिमूव द केबल कनेक्शन फ्रॉम आवर होम. बिलीव मी, there were lots of changes and I think it's the best decision I took करंट सिनेरियो. बिकॉज क्या हो रहा था कि जैसे ही प्रिंसी उठती थी, शी वॉन्टेड टू वॉच TV. शी डिडंट वॉन्ट टू ब्रश, शी डिडंट वॉन्ट टू डू एनीथिंग एट ऑल, एंड शी वुड जस्ट से दैट स्विच ऑन द TV, आई वॉन्ट टू वॉच राइम्स. सो इट्स नॉट कि द राइम्स और द कार्टून्स वेर रियली हैम्परिंग हर, बट वॉट दे वर डूइंग इज दैट दे वर मेकिंग हर completely dormant. That was a quick fix for her boredom. Whenever she was getting bored, she would want to watch TV. She didn't want to read books, she didn't want to play activities, she didn't want to color, she didn't want to do anything at all, because her brain was getting stimulated, enough stimulation she was getting through watching these cartoons. Believe me, these cartoons were getting so repetitive and she would keep on watching them I can't even tell you, there was no fixed time, because she would not stop watching and she would not let us watch TV, she would not allow us to watch anything at all, and it was getting really frustrating. हमें भी लगता था कि अच्छा TV देख रही है, like we are able to guide what she is seeing, what she is watching. at least मोबाइल पे पता नहीं चलता क्या देख रहे हैं, अचानक चेंज कर लेते हैं, बट TV पे at least we see कि अच्छा ये कार्टून ही देख रहे हैं. बट इससे क्या हो रहा था कि वो मतलब कंटिन्यूसली उसको देख ही रही है एंड कम्प्लीटली वो पड़ी हुई है. देयर इज़ नो एक्टिविटी, देयर इज़ नो थिंकिंग, देयर इज़ नथिंग इन्वॉल्व, देयर इज़ नो ब्रेन एक्टिविटी इन्वॉल्व. शी इज़ जस्ट टॉर्मेंटली वॉचिंग एंड वॉचिंग. तो ये आई थिंक ये मेरा सोचना कि अरे कोई बात नहीं, आई एम मॉनिटरिंग द वॉट एवर शी इज़ सीइंग, ये गलत था ये डिसीजन. एंड वो उस चीज़ की वजह से हम लोग भी काफ़ी लाइटली लेने लगे थे, एंड वी लेट हर जस्ट वॉच एंड बट फाइनली हमें लगा कि ये गलत है एंड वी शुड नॉट गिव हर सो मच ऑफ स्क्रीन टाइम, एंड शी इज़ कम्प्लीटली लूजिंग इट, नॉट यूजिंग एनी ऑफ हर माइंड, एनीथिंग एट ऑल. सो that's how we took this decision. So finally we decided that it's time we have to get the cable connection cut off, and that's what we did. And 2 to 3 days she would ask us to still switch on the TV, and when we switched on there was nothing coming. So then she would find something. She has tons of toys, books, everything she has. I have kept everything available for her that she can occupy herself with. So then she started finding out things that she likes, like pretend play toys, kitchen toys, makeup toys, books, activities, puzzles, and talking to us. There were so many things that she was not doing, and after I switched off the cable connection, there was no TV at her home. There is nothing going on in the TV. She is not able to find anything to stimulate her, that instant gratification. She is finding things around the house to do. She has started talking a lot. She has started to interact with us, interact with people. She has gained a lot of confidence. So I actually stopped making videos. It was almost 21 days, like 3 weeks since I made any video, and suddenly one day she asked me that let's make a video, and that's when I understood that she is now gaining interest in making videos, doing activities, reading, and she's cooperating with me so much. Plus whenever she wakes up now, she comes, she gives a hug, she'll say good morning, and then if I'm exercising, she will sit with me or she will exercise. She'll brush her teeth, because before it was a task to get her brush. I can't tell you, I had to literally beg her to brush her teeth, and she'd say let me finish this cartoon, one more. मतलब केबल कनेक्शन हटाने के बाद ऐसा लगा जैसे कुछ बदल गया उसमें. शी स्टार्टेड यूजिंग हर माइंड, यूजिंग हर ब्रेन, शी स्टार्टेड यूजिंग हर body, physical activity, and started thinking, started doing, started running, exercising, talking. मतलब इतनी सारी चीज़ें उसने शुरू कर दी करने. वी कैन सी कि कितना चेंज आया है उसमें आफ्टर जस्ट एक टीवी केबल कनेक्शन हटाने से. अदरवाइज मेरे घर में कोई फिक्स टाइम नहीं था स्क्रीन टाइम का. इट विल गो ऑन एंड ऑन एंड ऑन. Full day TV is on and she will be just lying there dormantly and doing nothing at all. All my books were there, all my activities. I would say कि मैं हटा दूंगी, मैं दे दूंगी, I'll give to someone if you don't start doing things, if you don't start reading, I have to give them up. And she would say, okay, give them up, you can give this and that. I was like, oh my god. So I was like, she has completely lost the interest in doing anything at all, and that was really not good. So ये डिसीजन लेने के बाद आई कैन प्राउडली से दैट शी हैज़ स्टार्टेड इंटरेक्टिंग विद पीपल, शी हैज़ स्टार्टेड टॉकिंग अ लॉट, शी हैज़ गॉट दिस physical movements going on, she is active, she is running, she is jumping, she is dancing, she is doing things, she is, you won't believe me, but most of the ideas she gives me that let's do this, let's do that, and I really like it, and she really cooperates a lot. For there's no screen time during eating, so खाने के टाइम कोई स्क्रीन नहीं, कुछ नहीं, ना मोबाइल ना टीवी, कोई डिस्ट्रैक्शन नहीं. So she can eat properly, how much ever she wants. जितना भी खाना है उतना ही खाएंगे, but without any distraction. And it's not कि टीवी नहीं है तो she is not able to do anything. I give her all the general knowledge stuff that she needs, and I don't think that because she is a kid she doesn't need to know things. I always talk to her about plants, about weather, about planets, about what's going on in our life, what is our body, what are the body parts doing. So इतनी सारी चीज़ें हैं जो हम उनको पढ़ा सकते हैं, सिखा सकते हैं, बता सकते हैं. And Princey really loves it. She really loves listening and she loves story making. And the thing is कि अब she starts repeating. Once I have taught her something or told her about something, she'll tell everyone, and whatever she understands she tries to convey and मतलब कि दूसरों को भी बताने की कोशिश करती है. तो I really find it good कि मतलब बहुत कुछ है हमारे पास उनको सिखाने के लिए. एंड बिकॉज एक टीवी की वजह से it was completely, her mind was blank, she didn't want to do anything at all. And after this decision I am so happy, and I'm not sure कि कब तक will not have TV, but sure I'm not going to give her some cartoons and anything as of now. Probably we'll have the cable connection, we'll only have news channels or some entertainment music channels probably, but not sure. Also screen time, she gets enough of screen time because जब भी she wants I let her enjoy a rhyme or cartoons or dress up, whatever she likes to see I let her do that. It's not कि मैं उसको बिल्कुल भी नहीं देखने देती. I let her see how much ever she wants to, but एक limit है. After that I won't let her watch because इतनी मुश्किल से जब मैंने ये एक गुड हैबिट इंट्रोड्यूस की है तो आई वॉन्ट टू कैरी इट फॉरवर्ड. सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर नाउ. सो आई होप अगर आप ये इशू फेस कर रहे हैं तो आई वुड सजेस्ट कि केबल कनेक्शन हटा दीजिए. यू कैन स्टिल हैव दी मोबाइल कनेक्टेड टू द टीवी एंड यू कैन लेट देम गिव वॉट एवर यू वॉन्ट देम टू सी. अगर आप सोच रहे हैं इफ़ यू वॉन्ट टू टेक दिस डिसीजन आई से प्लीज़ थिंक इट थ्रू एंड do what you wish to do. Don't do it because I have done it. आप अपने फैमिली, आप अपने तौर तरीके, अपने बच्चों के हिसाब से चलिए. अगर वो इतना नहीं देखते हैं और आपको इतनी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है तो आई वुड सजेस्ट कि दैट्स ओके. आपको केबल कनेक्शन हटाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. हमें थी बिकॉज हमें ये आदत छुड़वानी थी. दैट्स वाई वी टुक दिस डिसीजन. अगर आपका बच्चा मतलब इनफ स्टिमुलेशन है, एक्टिव भी है और सब चीज़ों में ध्यान देता है और थोड़ा बहुत देखता है तो आई थिंक इट्स कम्प्लीटली ओके. सो इट्स पेरेंट टू पेरेंट, चाइल्ड टू चाइल्ड, वट एवर यू फील लाइक you can go ahead and do that. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and there's more coming and I'm sure you will love it. Thank you.